to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, and I'm right back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys my breastfeeding journey. Like, what am I doing right now that I didn't do before? We are 11 weeks postpartum today, guys. Let's dive into it. First of all, I'm gonna say introducing bottles early. You know, in Brielle's time, I did not really understand, like I didn't really know that I'm supposed to, express out my milk and feed her through with bottles most of the time. So she can get used to bottles early. Brielle's time, again, I wasn't lactating so much. Maybe it's because I did not know the information I know now. So I was actually a novice, first time mom and everything. I was just learning everything newly. So I did not express my breast milk the first time. So I bought feeding bottles, but I kept them after 6 months. And when it was 6 months, it was time to introduce solids to Brielle. Brielle flatly refused bottles. She did not even take it at all. So it was actually a struggle during that first 6 months of exclusively breastfeeding her. Then this time around, I just decided to express my milk every day. So during the days, he will feed on bottles, and in the night we breastfeed. So I'd advise you to introduce bottles early. Learn and research about how you can pump, how you can lactate well. And again, Jaden, he sucks very well. So I think that also helps me in lactating very, very well. Jaden sucks a whole lot, guys. He sucks a whole lot. So I actually lactate very well this time around. Meanwhile, in Brielle's time, Brielle can latch on this breast from morning till night and she's not okay. Or I don't even know if she's okay, but I didn't know anything about it. So introduce bottles early, so he will not just get used to your boobs. So guys, baby Jaden is awake and I had to rush and get his food. One of the reasons I actually decided to introduce bottles early is because I don't want to suffer the suffer where Brielle showed me. Brielle was very peaceful during pregnancy, in the belly. But when she came out, she showed me hell. She was always crying and always clingy, Every time, I'm always breastfeeding. Every time, I can't rest, I can't sleep. Oh my Jesus. I'll be frank, I was actually depressed, guys. And it got to a stage I felt stuck. I can't do anything, I can't go out, because I actually have a baby at home. I have to stay back, to breastfeed. Even if I'm feeling sleepy, I can't sleep off. I have to be awake when she's awake. Oh my God, it was hell. But right now, as I'm expressing for Jaden, other people can feed him. That's just the beauty of it. He's not losing anything. Other people can actually feed him. Right now, everybody has gone to school, so it's just me and him at home. That's why I'm actually feeding him right now. So, I can actually take a breather if I'm cooking. If I want to know, postpartum depression is freaking real. I experienced that in Brielle's time. But to God be the glory, baby Jaden, I've not felt that this time around because my baby has been such a cute, gentle, and calm baby boy, more than I could have prayed for. And yes, I know you're going to say, don't worry, it's just a face, it's going to change. Nah. My baby's not changing nowhere. He's still going to remain a peaceful and sweet, loving baby boy. It actually made me introduce bottles early. It's because whenever we go out, during Brielle's time, it was actually very difficult. I'm always showing Bobby up and down, every time. Wherever I am, I'm showing Bobby. This time around, guys, I just want to, look good and go out without thinking about what outfit am I going to wear so I'll be able to breastfeed. Right now, it's actually very easy because I can pick up whatever I want or feel like wearing and just wear it and go out. Even if I'm going out with him, I know that, if he's hungry, he can bottle feed. So no more showing Bobby outside ever. So that has really made my breastfeeding journey very easy. So we're still learning. If you have any tips on how I can make it more easier, just let me know. And yes, if you have any tips on how I can lactate enough milk. Like, I want to lactate so much, not too much, because guys, there was a time I started taking lactating products and I started over producing to the extent that one part of my boobs would just be so engorged. Oh my god, it was no, I don't want to lactate too much, just the normal way, because my baby is an eater. I've got myself a foodie. He loves food so much. So yes, that's the only thing I've been doing, you know, that is helping me enjoy this breastfeeding journey. Like, whew, being able to breathe, being able to rest, being able to, you know, go out and not feel stuck, and not feel like you're letting your baby down, and not feel like you're not feeding him or her enough. Just being able to, whew, breathe. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video, and please leave those tips for me if you have any. And yeah, see you all in my next video. Bye bye.